Well, hello traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net or EminiSuccessCoach.com. You can find us on the web with either of those uh, addresses, uh, or send me a email inquiry info@EminiSuccessCoach.com, and let me know if you'd like to try a free 2-week room trial, and I'll make sure you get in the room. This was a recap of Monday, April 9th, 2012. And as you can see, it started out the week minus 32 total net points. I went 1-3-1 on the Dow, minus 43 points. I was 1-0 on the NASDAQ, plus 9. So minus 32 points here to start the week. And as usual, when I end up a day negative, it's usually because of trading mistakes that I made. It wasn't anything to do with my trading program that I've written, and it was certainly the case on Monday. This was a breakout trade after the open. It was a good trade. We'd had the open. The internals in the market were weakening as we took this trade on a breakout at 12,861. And I got one contract off at plus 10, and then the other contract off was also at plus 10, 10 points. So plus 20 on the first trade. The second trade, also a breakout trade. It was after a nice retracement here. Took a breakout of this pivot that was formed right here, 12,856, and took staggered stops on this. I got out at minus 10 points and minus 15 points. The 15 was at my initial stop loss, 12,871. So I took one off at 866, one off at 871. So minus 25 points on that second trade. And then the third trade was a trigger entry short, 12,865 here. And then I actually reversed long at 874 and was stopped myself out on that trade, minus 18 points. And then the 874, I stopped myself out at 869 and 859. So again, a minus 20 points. This was not a good stop out here. Should have just stuck with the trade. Got to a high of 876. Not even 15 points. And the prior pivot was 877. So should not have stopped myself out on this trade, and certainly should not have reversed. And then the next mistake I made was I had another trigger short here. At the very least, I should have been short at the break of this pivot. So again, just simply trading mistakes on my part that caused Monday to end up being a net negative day. But again, we're down only 32 points. And as you see, the rest of the videos for the week, we ended up the week nice and positive finally. So that's it. The one NASDAQ trade, I'm not going to show you that, but I did take that short at 10:20 Pacific, 1:20 Eastern Time at 10, and that short was 27.41.50, and I ended up getting a total of 9 points on that trade on the NASDAQ. So that was it. Not a lot of trades on Monday. 6 total, and minus 32 points. Guys, I really hope that you will come into the room and see us trade live. Unlike other trading rooms, you actually get to see my trading dome. You'll see me put in my entries live on the trading dome, where my stops are going to be, what my targets are. It is very, very different from other trading rooms. And because of that, when I make mistakes, they're very, very evident. So, guys, come into the room. Our goal is to make everyone money, and we're going to do that. Have a great weekend, and I hope to see you next week.